What is up, my friends? It's Crypto Smooth with Yield Farming Academy. Currently rocking some crypto merch. It's designer. Honestly, we only get high quality stuff. There's the Solana t-shirt in the background that we also have. We're updating products every day. However, that's not the reason I'm here to make this video. The reason I'm here to make this video is to tell you why I really want to open and educate really on how to yield farm, because it's such a powerful yet underutilized tool, and I'll explain why. Now, in light of some very unfortunate events in Ukraine, it's become apparent that cryptocurrency is here to stay and it's not going anywhere. Those poor Ukrainians cannot access any of their savings, so all of their money is gone. All they own is cryptocurrency and NFTs and whatever else falls under that umbrella. And what I wanted to really highlight, right, is so now, and this is according to Bitcoin Market Journal, now over 100 million Bitcoin wallets with value now exist. With value means with some kind of balance in it. Daily active wallets, average of 1 million. 11% of Americans hold Bitcoin. Number of wallets holding 100 plus Bitcoin reached over 16,000 in October. That's insane. They mentioned Nigeria here as far as the adoption of cryptocurrency, but I was listening to a podcast earlier, and this gentleman who owns a smart payment solutions company, he is native Venezuelan, and he was shocked actually at the amount of Bitcoin adoption. They do not want to own the Venezuelan currency. Like, even if you're buying a car, they compare it to US dollars. So therefore now they are buying Bitcoin in droves. Like, they can't get enough Bitcoin. So with all of this in light, and all these new users, let's see, 35 million users, 59 million wallets, 1 million users transact Bitcoin per day. I believe I saw Bitcoin wallets went to, it was, well, in investing accounts, it was 52 or 55 million new investing accounts, whether it's Robinhood, Webull, etc. And with that, there is a huge learning curve, and that is what is driving me to do Yield Farming Academy. Because with yield farming, what we figured out how to do is what exactly the Federal Reserve does, except with cryptocurrency. We print money. That's what we do in DeFi. It's what we do in yield farming. That's the capability we have. And now, so on that note, there's a whole education curve that people have to go through in order to do this. You have to know how to use custodial wallets like MetaMask. MetaMask can be intricate if you are not a normal computer user. You have to understand how to set up a MetaMask. You have to understand that 12-word seed phrase, if somebody gets a hold of it, they get a hold of all your assets. You have to understand how to import coins. You have to understand how to bridge coins from Ethereum mainnet to Avalanche network, for example. You have to understand how gas fees work. Um, you have to understand how to create a liquidity pool token, otherwise called a LP token. Um, and that's where all this education starts to come into play. Is you really got to start from the ground up and really start to dig into DeFi, because this is the year of DeFi. Make no mistake about it. This is the year of DeFi. So our goal here at Yield Farm Academy is basically to hold your hand through the entire process. How to set up a MetaMask, how to add new networks like Phantom or Harmony, and pretty much any network you want, and how to do it safely, because MetaMask has many exploits, and one of the ways they talk to each other is a main exploit there. So we make it even safer for you to use MetaMask. How to bridge tokens, which I actually already made a free video about. We're giving out a lot of free content right now that people pay a lot of money for, let me tell you. But we'll teach you how to add tokens, what a liquidity pool even is. What is a liquidity pool? And liquidity pools have different risks, have different rewards. We have liquidity pools with 10,000% APR and APY. And we'll define the difference between APY and APR. And it's all these little things that you have to know in decentralized finance, aka DeFi, to become successful. So, Yield Farming Academy. Why do we even want to start this, right? We figured out what the Federal Reserve does, and we get our rewards in cryptocurrency, which already has proof of concept through NFTs that are being sold. Houses are being sold as NFTs. Adidas is killing the $1 billion fraud market by attaching NFTs to their shoes. We are yet to see the real life case scenarios with NFTs. But really, it's all customer based. If you're not making money, if you're not printing money the way we promise, we aren't happy. We are all about the customer, the consumer. Okay? Decentralized finance is such a beautiful thing. And let me tell you a story. A woman called me. She was about to lose her home. She has 4 kids, and she had $300, and that was her last $300. She asked me, what should I do with it? How could I make some quick money? I told her where to put it and how to use it, how to utilize it, etc. She called me about 2 weeks later, and she said, nearly in tears, thank you so much. It turned into, I believe it was 1.8K, $1,800, which, allowed her to save her home. And that is the beauty of decentralized finance and its culture. See, the thing a lot of people miss about cryptocurrency is that it is a culture. It's not just a mechanism, a machine to make money. No, that's not it. There's a whole culture behind that. And DeFi is very involved in that culture. So again, why Yield Farming Academy? with over 100 million Bitcoin wallets in active use or active holdings, with the 55 million new accounts created in 2020, investing accounts. This education is absolutely needed. And my partners and I were all early adopters. We found Bitcoin when it was called Satoshis. I bought a smoothie with 1 Bitcoin. Like, are you kidding me? But anyways, that is the power of cryptocurrency, and really decentralized finance. Make no mistake about it, this is the year of decentralized finance, because we're going to see so many different new protocols and nodes and just these ways of passive income where you don't have to sit in front of your computer and know all these crazy chart patterns. No, instead you'll just be putting your money somewhere. So through our system, you will probably easily gain 308% APY. And that's per year, 300% return per year. And that's very conservative. It's usually a lot higher than that. And so the reason we picked yield farming is for that reason. You know, we want it accessible to everybody. And you know, we are so passionate. We are true crypto degens. We've been through the NFT rush. We've been through 2017, 2018, 2016. You know, we've been through all these major events, the happenings that have happened in crypto, and seen what have happened. And one of my partners is a prop trader, former prop trader, I should say. And the other is a crypto genius. Degen Ninja, crypto genius. I'll tag his YouTube as well. But yeah, so this is the reason we started Yield Farming Academy. The launch is coming soon. We expect by the end of the month that we will be launching some of our products, not all of them. As we keep developing, we'll keep dropping new ones and new strategies, etc. In the meantime, we are continuing to drop new designer crypto merch. That link will also be in the bio. And thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And until next time, let's print some money like the Federal Reserve does. Damn it. I mean, come on. We figured it out. So let's do it. Let's capitalize on it. Why? Because why not? We have the capability. Let's do it. Come join us at Yield Farming Academy. Oh, and by the way, especially if you're in the US, KuCoin, by far the best. They have so many altcoins where you don't see elsewhere. You can just scan this QR code. It'll give you an additional 35% off your trading fees. That's huge. Just wanted to add that in there. The link will also be down below. So yeah, definitely check KuCoin out if you haven't already. Please do me a favor. Do it for yourself.